First, we check the laser marking parameter and marking control. This is the pen number. The color doesn't mean the laser can mark different color. The color refers different parameter set. There are 256 different pen number, means 256 different laser power and speed choice. If you want to change the laser power and speed, do not choose use default parameter. Click the parameter color block. It will show the pen number here. Input master laser. Loop count means loop times to mark an object, then mark loop 1. It will only mark once. Let us make the mark loop 3. It will mark 3 times. Marking speed. Let us make marked speed 2000. Now to 1000. Then to 200. This speed makes marking result different. Try different marking speed when you mark. Power. If the marking speed is 1000, let us see the difference of power. %, first. %, power. %, power. %, power. Try to adjust the power with speed to find the perfect marking result. Frequency. The laser machine laser source frequency. If your laser machine is normal laser source, that doesn't need to change. If your laser machine is MOPA laser, when you need to mark different color on stainless steel, the frequency has to be changed. Let us see the marking control. Light. You can preview the marking position with red pointer, so you can change the workpiece position, or change the marking object size or any other thing. We can enlarge/narrow the master laser to fit the card size. We can also preview the marking loop details. Choose Show Contour. You can see the whole marking loop. Click here. Or you can press F2 to start mark. Continuous. Mark the objects repeatedly until we stop the mark. Mark. It won't stop until I stop the marking. Mark select. When there are more than 2 different objects, and you don't need to mark them all. We add another text master laser 02. change the size. If we don't choose Mark Select, it will mark both text. Choose Mark Select. It will mark Master Laser O2 only. Continue mode. Click Mark. It will red light automatically. Improve the efficiency.